Today we are at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, and let me tell you, it's a perfect, beautiful day. We're here with the family. The kids and the grandchild are going to Chill Island. We're going to the adult-only area in Hideaway Beach. So come with us as we enjoy this absolutely gorgeous private island of Royal Caribbeans. Very excited to be here at Coco Cay. We've only been here once, and it wasn't even that beautiful a day. It was very windy. This is exciting. When you first walk into Coco Cay, you can go to Chill Island or you can go to Thrill Island. We're going to Hideaway Beach. The kids are in Chill Island. So once you walk through the main gates and you go to Thrill Island or Chill Island to get to Hideaway Beach, you go way over to the right and you follow this white path. You can take a tram, which is fine. Maybe we'll do that on the way back, but he said it's about a 5-minute walk, so we're gonna do it and look at the beautiful view of the ships. So the tram was right here, so we decided to take the tram. So we're taking the tram over to Hideaway Beach. And it looks like it's a pretty ride. Okay, we settled in at the beach. I would rather sit at the pool, but there was no more places, and it's a little bit later. It's 10 o'clock, so we got here probably 9:30-ish. We took our time this morning, so it's completely understandable that there's no more seats at the pool. There's plenty of seats at the beach. So we kind of walked a little bit further past the pool, and that's where we're sitting. And we're not that far from the pool, so I've already been in once. And the pool is an infinite pool, and it's absolutely beautiful with a beautiful view, and I'm sure we'll be spending some more time in there. But that's where we ended up. We ended up on the beach looking at this beautiful lagoon under a chair with umbrellas. There's music playing in the background, and it's really gorgeous here. The pool is very warm. I think it's heated, but it feels wonderful. Like, it doesn't feel too hot. It just feels nice to be able to get into. So this is the pool at Hideaway Beach, which is the adults-only area in Coco Cay, and we're enjoying it so far. This pool is gorgeous, so we're going to get in it for a little while. Beautiful view of the lagoon. You can't quite see the ships. They're around the corner. It's gorgeous. Come on in. There's a swim-up bar right behind me. We might have to try that out, although we don't have our cards, so. So we paid $31 per person to come to Hideaway Beach. So this is an additional charge, but if you purchase it, go back in and relook at the price, because originally when we booked this in January, we paid $51 or $52 per person. And I was willing to do it because we had never been here. We wanted to show you what it's like. I went back in and I rechecked the price, and it dropped to around 30 or 31 per person. So it literally went down to half price. So I canceled my reservation, I got a refund and rebooked it. And it's so easy, and you can do that right in your cruise planner. So I would advise you, anytime you purchase anything in the cruise planner, go back in and recheck the price, because if it goes down, you can cancel your purchase and rebuy it again at the new price. And that's what we did here. And I feel like for $31 per person, it's worth it. We haven't eaten or anything yet. Really, the only thing you're paying for differently is that you're in the adults only area. I think the food's going to be similar. There's no additional amenities that really come with it, except you have an absolutely beautiful pool, you have a gorgeous lagoon, you have adults only if that's what you want. And so that's what makes this area special. There's several bars on Hideaway Beach. There's one called On the Rocks that's at the entry to Hideaway Beach, right when you first walk in, that actually has a really beautiful view and a beautiful view of the ships. There's also a swim-up bar in the pool, and then there's also a couple of bars actually on the beach. The bar called On the Rocks has a pool table, it has another game that I have no idea the name of, like a shuffleboard game, and it looks like a band might be setting up to play. So this looks like a really nice place to hang out, especially if you're hot, because it's all covered and it's all in the shade. There's two restaurants, one called Hideaway Hut that sells chicken sandwiches, chicken fingers, French fries, things like that. And then there's another one on the other side of Hideaway Beach, closer to the pool, and that sells pizza. And I say sells, but it's all included. It's definitely a party atmosphere over here. The music's on, it's loud, but I don't think it's too loud. And where we're sitting, you can't hear it as much as you can as if you were right by the pool. But it's definitely a party atmosphere, and it's a lot of fun. It's not quiet. If you're expecting quiet, Hideaway Beach is not quiet, as you can hear. And then if you walk a little bit further down the beach, like farthest beach, walk all the way down toward the end, there's some more private cabanas that you can rent. And they look beautiful, and they have their own private pools. I would love to rent one of these. They're pretty expensive. I think I looked and it might have been like, no, it was either $1,300 or $1,500. You can check me in the cruise planner, but they're expensive. Let me know in the comments if you know how much they are. And then there's also this beautiful lagoon. So in addition to the pool, you have this gorgeous lagoon. Mark just went to go get us some food. I hope you can hear me. We forgot our mics. Mark just went to go get us some food, and I'm just sitting here in the shade. And after we eat, I'm hitting the pool because it's hot. I feel like it's hot. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Perfect Day at Coco Cay. And we're going to stay a little bit longer over here in Hideaway Beach, and then we're going to go meet up with the kids over at Oasis Pool. But first, some food. So I got the Hideaway crispy chicken sandwich, which is supposed to be famous. We've never had it at Coco Cay, and so I'm excited about it. It comes with lettuce and tomato and pickles. I took off the tomato and pickles because I'm not a huge fan. And then it comes with their signature sauce. So we'll just see. Good.
Good? Looks crispy.
It is, of course. What did you get?
So I got the crispy fish sandwich.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna give that a try.
Crispy everything today.
Yes.
Ooh, you got some tartar sauce there.
Yes.
And we also got an order of fries.
All right, it's messy.
It's messy. Ooey gooey messy burger. Taste?
It's very good.
Good. Did I mention there was ice cream too? Just like on the ship, the ice cream is included. This is my first soft serve ice cream of the cruise, so I'm excited to eat it. Let's see. It has a nice flavor. It's not as creamy as I would like, but it has a nice flavor. Like, I like Dairy Queen. but this is good. I feel like the music is a little bit loud. I don't mind it at all. And we're a little further away from it as I eat my ice cream cone. I almost feel like they're going for that Virgin Voyages private destination vibe. When we went to Bimini, this is kind of the vibe that was there. And I feel like Royal Caribbean's kind of taking a page from their book and trying it out. And it seems like people like it. And this area is very crowded. We're going to leave here in a little bit and we're going to go over to where the kids are. And I'll be interested to see like what the crowd ratio is over there. But this is crowded.
But I don't think it's overcrowded.
No. Right.
At all, so.
Right. I agree. It's not overcrowded. Yes.
It's very comfortable.
Yeah, and there's still like people coming in with towels. And it's 12:15. And we got here like, I don't know, 9:30?
Yeah.
10 o'clock? Yeah, I think we said it was 10 o'clock. And I still see people coming in.
I would come back here again.
Like it?
I liked it.
Yeah, I like it too. And for $30 a person, it wasn't bad.
Right.
50-something, I don't know how I would feel about that.
Yeah.
Because really the only difference is that it's adults only. Like I said before. That's really the only benefit.
Right.
There's no other added amenities.
Here we are at Splashaway Bay. Large range of kids. Ooh, there goes the bucket. From little friends to bigger friends. Colorful activity pad. Different types of water activities. Adirondacks with umbrellas to chill and hang. Some nice shaded areas to let your kids just go and roam free in the safety of the splash pad. Multiple access points, multiple entrances.
Need a waterproof camera.
Also, every pool here or swimming area provides flotation devices, life jackets. And in the distance, you can see the balloon in the air. Here's the entrance to South Beach, hidden under the palms and the mangroves.
It's beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Plenty of seats to be had. Little cabana, little snack shack.
On the ship.
Perfect bar. Yes, a lot of the workers come off of the ship and they come to the bars and the cabanas here on the island. Of course, there goes Patrick to nab a drink. Lots of shaded places to sit. There's some mats for you to rent. You want to float in the ocean. Of course, towel stations. Plenty of towels. You can get it on the ship and then trade in your wet ones for some dry ones. Basketball court. Rows and rows of chairs that lead down the beautiful Caribbean. Now those cabanas are for rent. A lot of them have a slide at the end of it with a little table and umbrella. See how far that beach goes down. There's a lifeguard on duty. Goes all the way down. It's a long beach.
Cheers.
The Oasis Lagoon. Very busy. Little alcoves. There's some quieter areas for adults, these middle sections. The kids tend to stay towards the zero entry.
I absolutely loved Hideaway Beach. We loved the vibe, we loved the music, we loved being in an adults only area. We just liked it so much. As a matter of fact, we're going back because we're going on the Icon of the Seas on June 15th, and I actually booked Hideaway Beach again. And we're gonna stay there the whole day because this time we kind of split our day because we wanted to go over to Chill Island to hang with the kids a little bit, but this time we'll be on Hideaway Beach the whole time, and we absolutely loved it. All right, we're making our way back over to where the kids are at the Oasis pool. So we just took the tram and now we're headed back over and we're headed to Chill Island. And on the way we saw this great sand castle. If you like this video, then you'll definitely like the one right here where we boarded the Celebrity Ascent.